Chakani gaba Teresa korwa ekaunti ya Kisii inseye kiombe gia Kenya National Union of Nurses peso kirena kubwatesia aba mwabo korwa chinse mogose chi county imeyense ya Kenya ase omugiro oyo obeirega kogendera bagukwana nigo batebire ose nigo batiane na goteba tibagochia kogenda gosikora na meremo goika ebirero byabo gosamagania abo abeire kagoikiraniwo na batenenili babo ase boigo baruro kubolyo gochia se wizara yobochenu kubotrana ni serikali chechi county kuikirania egatia maganio alibaba bakwerera.
Hivyo tunataka kuambia serikali ya kwamba walikataa kukuja kwa mesa tusungumuse mara tatu. The conciliator aliwaandikia mara ya kwanza wakuja, ya pili, ya tatu hawakukuja. Sasa tunataka kuambia ya kwamba sisi tuko nyumbani na wao wakiwa wamekataa kukuja, wao ndio wamegoma. Na ni aibu sana wakati wanaandikiwa wakuje hawakuji mpaka nurses wanaamua kwenda nyumbani. Kwa hivyo it is their failure to come on the table to negotiate. The items we have discussed here ni zile zenye tumekuwa tukiongea tangu 2017. Kuna ingine last year yenye ilikuwa signed the CPA haijakuwa implemented, na wengine hapa kama Kisii County hawataki kuongelea hiyo. SRC structure yenye ili increase to all civil servants including nurses hawataki kuimplement. Kwa hivyo tumesema tumechoka na hatutaki sasa masungumuzo hadi wa implement hizo vitu tunaongea.
County government of Kisii has been given opportunity to resolve this dispute, which is a long-standing dispute since 2017. Up to date, the conciliator has called 3 meetings, consecutive 3 meetings. County government doesn't appear in those meetings, so they are not ready to resolve the dispute. And among the dispute that we have with the county government of Kisii is non-implementation of 2017 return to work formula, which has 2 items. Number 1, uniform allowance. Number 2, nurse service allowance, which was to be increased from 10,000 uniform allowance to 25,000 uniform allowance. We want the county government to address acute shortage of nurses across Kisii County government. Number 3, we want to tell the Kisii County government to ensure that they conclude the correct bargaining agreement for nurses of Kisii County government, which we have, as a union, we have given up proposals as early as January this year. Up to date, they are not non-committal to address the CPA. And finally, to ensure that our nurses across Kisii County government who are being deducted third-party deductions are not being remitted to their financial institutions.
Telling the county government of Kisii and the Ministry of Health that kindly the issues we have highlighted on the strike notice, implement them. We are not ready to come and move around, choking around, signing some return to work formula which are not implemented. We are not ready to sign any return to work formula which is not implemented. It is either you come with the money on the table, we sign and we go back with the money.